Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how you can find out what new updates have been added to Google Docs by Google. If you go to the Help menu, click on Help, find the option for Updates, click on it, and you'll be able to run through all the different recent updates to Google Docs based on the month in which they were updated. So the most recent one, September 22, add place chips to find location information, and there's a little bit of detail on how to do that, plus additional links to other resources. Updates from August of 22, April of 22, February of 22. It goes back. You can keep scrolling, and this is going back several years here. So if you notice that something is new with Google Docs, or you're wondering if something is new with Google Docs, you can easily access that information by going to the Help menu and clicking on Updates to see what's new.